Hello children, good afternoon everybody. Today I am going to give you an explanation of the second chapter on literature, Ubuntu. First let me give you an explanation. I am going to tell you the meaning of the word Ubuntu. Ubuntu means human kindness, when you are kind and helpful to anybody. And this is the only word, this is the bond which keeps you people tied together. It's a string which unites everybody. Now let me start with the chapter. Once there was an anthropologist. Who is an anthropologist? He is a man who studies in detail about the particular race, about the particular group of people, their culture, their tradition, their custom. He was studying the habits and the customs of a tribe in Africa. So he went to Africa to study in detail, to know in detail about the people living in Africa. How are they living, which culture they are following, what traditions are they following. He went to study in detail about them. He visited one of the markets and was tempted by the candies there. So while in Africa, he goes to one of the markets and was attracted. Tempted means was attracted, what felt like buying those candies there, the toffees there. These sweets and candies are so tempting. He says to himself only, these sweets, the toffees are so attractive, I feel like buying them for my children. Then after buying lots of candies for his children at home, then he buys candies for his children at home. He packed his bags and to leave for the home. He went to leave to go to his home. I think I'll wait for the bus here. For leaving for his home, he waits at the bus stop there. While he was waiting, he saw a number of African children playing. While waiting for the bus to come, he sees many children playing together there, African children. He could see that they played in close cooperation with each other and they were very happy there playing together. Close cooperation means they are satisfied and they are happy playing together there. Happily they were playing there. As he saw the children, he smiled to himself. He smiles. Then he says to himself, I think I will give the candies to these children, but first I'll play a game with them. The candies which he had purchased for his own children, he felt like giving those toffees to these children who were playing there. Then he thought कि before giving them the toffees, let me play the game. He wanted to play a game with them. Children, come to me, let's play a game. Then he calls those children near to him and says, come here, let's play a game. Now I'll put this basket under that tree. Then those candies, the basket full of candies was packed. He says to the children that he'll keep those candies, the basket full of candies, under a tree. And see the picture, how are the children? They are happily, cheerfully looking at that basket. The man put all the candies in a big round basket. He tied it with the ribbon. See, he tied with the ribbon. He puts the candies in a basket. He tied in the ribbon. The children crowded around him and peeped into the basket. How are the children looking into the basket? See. Now children, I have explained you till here. Today I am going to explain here only till here. On Monday I will continue. Till then, read these lines, read the chapter, and I will continue on Monday. Okay, thank you.